Okay, so what is going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you a really quick guide on how to debloat your windows. So if you are tired of using these, not even using these, but just having these random apps on your computer that you don't really use anytime, this video is for you. So first of all, go to this website that I will link in the description. So this is just a really lightweight PowerShell script that will just help you uninstall those apps that you are most likely not even using. It will help you disable some things like diagnostic data, the tips and tricks like Windows Copilot if you have this enabled, recall snapshots, and just a whole lot of different things that you don't really need. Like everything is optional in this thing, so you will get to choose everything that you want to keep or don't want to keep. So I will show you everything right now. So just go right here and then go to click on this thing, and you will see we'll download this. Okay, so go to your file explorer. Okay, and then here, drag it into your desktop. Okay, and then here, right click on this, and then click on extract all, extract. Say I'd extract it to the desktop right now. And you will see this Windows 11 Debloat master. Click on it, and then you will see this run.bat. Okay, so just right click, and then click on run as administrator, and then you will have to agree. Click on yes, and then you will see this big window right here. Okay, so default mode, so we'll remove the apps by default, and then app removal mode, select and remove without making any changes. So I will go to custom mode to show you more of the things. So enter 2 and then press enter, and then you will see these options. Don't remove any apps, only remove the default selection from the app list. So you will see these apps in this right here, this applist.txt. So open it, and then in here you will see everything that you can remove from this default menu. So I don't want to do that right now, but I'll do something else. So right here, I will select which apps to remove and which to keep. So I will click on number 3 and then click on enter, and then this window will pop up so you can check or uncheck everything. And I will suggest you to check this only show installed apps. So click on this, just wait for it to load. Okay, and you will see it's only showing you the apps that you have installed. So I will want to install this probably. Your phone, like what even is that? I'm not sure. Then OneDrive, Outlook I will keep, I need it for some of my work. Paint I will also keep because it's helpful, but Microsoft People, like what even is this? Power Automate Desktop, I don't want that. Screen Sketch, I think I will keep that. Windows Dev Home, yeah, I think I need that for some of my. Okay, then Photos I will keep. Calculator I will keep. Camera I will keep. Communication apps, I guess this is unchecked, so I will keep that. Then Windows Store I will keep. Windows Terminal, and all these things I will keep. Windows Zune Music, I guess. You can also remove these Xbox things, but I own an Xbox, so these things are sort of useful to me. But everything else you can go through the list is not really needed right now. Just click on confirm if you want to remove these. Okay, so disable Xbox game screen recording also stops gaming overlay pop-ups. I would suggest you to disable this if you don't have an Xbox, but I have an Xbox, so I will choose no. Don't remove any pinned apps from the start menu, or remove all pinned apps. I think I will remove all pinned apps from the start menu. So this is what it's talking about. This is the pinned apps, which I don't think I've used any of these apps in the yeah, I think I will choose no here. Disable diagnostic data, everything, yes. Highly suggest to disable this. Then disable tips, tricks, suggestions, and ads and start. Yes. And then disable Bing search. Yeah, I highly suggest to remove this. And then remove Windows Copilot. Yes, I don't even have this, but you need like the Snapdragon Plus laptops to use this. So I guess yes, but I don't even have this. Restore old Windows style context menu. No, probably. And then do you want to make any changes to Taskbar and related services? No. Okay, do you want to make any changes to File Explorer? No. And or press Ctrl C to quit. So press Enter to choose to uninstall everything. So I'll press Enter. And yeah, so I will speed up this part. So as you can see, we disabled and removed most of these apps. Something was failed, I think, yeah. We weren't successful in uninstalling Microsoft Edge, I guess. It's always a pain to like remove this Microsoft Edge, but if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.